Hello and welcome to St. Earth Station. In today's video I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm out on the Cornish main line today and I'm going to be getting on every single train excluding the Night Riviera sleeper, every single train that goes down the Cornish main line. So I'm here about to get the 10:29 service to Penzance. So I'm ready for a day out in Cornwall and getting on hopefully many different trains. But I've also got some little side challenges that I have to complete as well. So I wish there weren't so many announcements in. It's because the train's about to arrive, so they always do loads. So here is train number 1, and it is a class 220. That's bound for Exeter, but we'll get on it to either Redruth or Truro. Now this will tick off the IET type train. That's our second train ticked off. Right, we've got a 2-minute change over here at Truro. Over to the other side. Train. Here is our train to take us to Penzance. And go beyond the castle.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Penzance.
So we are now at Penzance, and we have over an hour here. So I know that I've got a little side mission, which is take a picture of the bus. So I think I can do that here. So we've been out in Penzance for about an hour now. We're getting back on the same train out again. On this Camborne, and then don't know what train we'll be on back. It'll probably be at 800 or 802, because I don't know like what the timetabling is around here. Gone all the way to Truro, and we're coming back on another Castle class HSC, and we're going back to Penzance. Well, we are going back to Camborne at one point in our plan. So it's just gone lunchtime. It is about 5 to 2 now.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Penzance.
Both extensions have now been done. We have gotten our second HSD codes for this
This is Penzance, the final stop of our journey. Please have your tickets and travel documents ready, and remember to take all your belongings with you. Oh, is it the security officer? The 50th
So, we're ticking off another class train, class 150 this time.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. We'll be calling out the fare. So the reason we came to Cornwall is because there is a model railway shop here, so we will go there. So it's getting later in the day. It is 4 o'clock now. I think we're going to do our final shuttle run to Truro before heading back. And I'm really hoping to tick off the final train, the class 158. But it is looking unlikely. I still hope that there may be a chance that we might get on a 158. If not, I would have completely failed, but at least I have a go and I will do it all again next year. Right, this is our first train. That's it, first train.
This is
Our train's
Cornwall.
Truro.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. This is Truro. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
Back to Truro for the third time today. We've practically just been shuttling from Penzance to Truro. So our train back to St. Earth is a cross-country train, which means that I will not be ticking off the final train, the Class 158. Which means I will have to come back and do this again next year. Though, still, this was a pretty good attempt at getting on all of them. I'm surprised I got that 150 down the main line. They are rare. And last night when I was planning this video, I thought about not putting in the Class 150 because I thought they'd be too rare. But now I'm glad I did, because that added a bit more interest into it. Right, here we are. Here is the train.
You did or you didn't? You didn't.
Right, here's our train home. Alright, here we are back home again.